Three reliable causes why people fail in their health journey. Friends, imagine for a moment that all the people in this world, whether they are men or women, became healthy. Men are handsome, women are beautiful. I truly believe then there will be peace, there will be harmony among the world. But it is it is a dream of me which is hard as of now. Friends, usually health comes along with so many positive aspects in our life. The way we think, the way we talk, the way we the way our attitude works completely changed, and that's why everyone should be healthy. Hi, my name is Bhupendra. I'm an online fitness coach. I'm a lifestyle expert and I help people to lose their weight. Friends, today I like to discuss about that all the people want to be healthy, but what are the three major causes which makes them fail in their journey to achieve health? Friends, when I started my journey and I really wanted to have a good health, I started my journey once I became obese in year 2011 along with one of my friend. My friend, he was also obese, he was also overweight, and I was also obese and I was also overweight. And we both started together, but he was living around 5 kilometer or 7 kilometer away from me. We both used to work together. That's why in morning I joined a gym and I paid around 10,000 rupees on that time from my hard-earned money. And he paid 150 rupees in a local gymkhana nearby his home. I continued my journey because I paid hard-earned money, so that's why I was accountable and I was doing something that for that I paid for. And he was also earning the same amount like me, but he paid a little amount, which he does not care because he already believed that if I would not go regular into my gym or in my workouts, then I won't have any losses in terms of money. But I continued my journey. I even after years, at times I gained my weight, at times I lost my weight, but I have reached a position on where I know about my fitness. But my friend, he is still obese, he still gained so much of his weight. At times he talks to me, he says me that I have 2 kgs of my weight has been gone down, and at times he speaks that my 2 kgs weight gone up. But really try to make him understand that the you have to pay some value to earn some value, and this is the cause number one and number one cause that people get fail in their health journey because they don't want to put any values to gain the value. I have put so much values in the dietitians, I have put so much values in gymming, I have put so much values in the books so that I can learn about health. Health is the most important thing in our life because we cannot enjoy a single moment if we don't have a single organ working properly in our body. And usually, obesity causes the kidney cancer, liver cancer, and many more diseases. Heart diseases and diabetes are the common one. And I really want to enjoy my life. So that's why I always wanted to be healthy. I want to die peaceful, not any kind of heart diseases because of especially because of obesity or poor diets. And as I already mentioned many of my videos, in whole world around 40 lakh people dies because of poor diet and poor health. So that's why I always wanted to be happy. And I have paid so much values to the dietitians. I have paid so much money. I have did all the hard work in my life so that I can gain the value of health, and I have gained. So that's why you have to put values to gain values. This is the first thing. You have to give some money to the gymnasium, to dietitian. Maybe you can be failed, maybe you can be passed, maybe you can achieve, maybe you can be successful or you can be unsuccessful. But the experience is the one thing which you will gain and which help you forever in your life. The same way I'm sharing my experiences with you because I got failed, and I'm telling you that how not to fail in health. So that's why pay some value and be accountable for someone, whether it is dietitian, whether it is a gym, or whether it is for yourself. Pay some value. The second reason I got failed because I believed in super exercises and super food. The first very diet plan which I got from my dietitian is a Greek yogurt with blueberries with rolled oats. The diet is marvelous, the calories are marvelous. But can I have this kind of English food always in my life? Because I still prawn of Indian traditional food. So I right now what I really want a simple paratha with yogurt in my life and nothing else. So that's why I do not believe in the superfood. There cannot be any superfood in your life. There is only natural food. At times for the 45 days or for the 30 days in your journey you can have these foods in your life, but you have to have the knowledge that what kind of food we should eat, and the answer is rice, wheat, lentils, moong dal, sprouts. These all are parathas. These all are the Indian things which we should eat in our life to gain fitness. Right now, whenever I want to have something, then I have a simple paratha, chapati rolls along with vegetables, with some protein, with some paneer. These are my foods now, which I can enjoy naturally, and I can do naturally, very easily. And the same thing we always believe in the super exercises. The super exercise cardio, then after the weightlifting. Once we lift our weight, after that we run like Rocky Wall. Third reason I got failed because I did not know about the reason why I wanted to be fit. For me, at times I really wanted to be fit so that I can look younger, I can look smarter than the people among the people like me, among the people as per my age. Currently I'm 37-year old. Many of my friends seems quite old. Many of my friends still seems quite young. Just because they have maintained their health, they have maintained their exercises. So that's why I also wanted to be a healthy, a younger person among my age person. The second reason of my why is that whenever you have a health in your life, there is a different kind of activeness, there is different kind of alertness, there is a different kind of energy level you have in your life. But if you are unhealthy, you don't have those kinds of energy levels. I really like to have these kinds of energy level always in my life. That's why I put my efforts whether I'm getting any results or not, but I wanted to have the fitness kind of thing in my life always. So once you know that why you want to do your exercise, because imagine for a moment that once your doctor says to you, right now you are prone to diabetics and you have to work out and you have to take some precious or conscious steps towards your health from now onwards, then what you gonna do? The same thing happened with me, but I have taken care of myself in a better way, and the same I want for all of you also. So once you know that why you want to be fit, just whenever you get up in the morning, ask yourself or say yourself your why, that why you want to be fit in your life. Friends, these are the three causes which always motivated me, which always motivates me to keep going on to reach my health journey on everyday basis. Friends, if you want to start your journey, if you're a beginner, then I suggest you download my ebook so that you can have the knowledge about the beginner workouts, you can have the knowledge about the beginner's diets, and you can lose up to 5 kg by next month. Or friends, if you want to have some personal consultation, if you want to have some personal guidance from me, then feel free to message me. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Bhupen signing out for now. I just wish for all of you to know your fitness.